In 2016, we introduced the world to the RadCity, a groundbreaking e-bike that redefined urban travel. 5 years later, we've taken this award-winning e-bike and completely re-engineered it to be our most advanced iteration yet. The RadCity 5 Plus is a commuter bike that sets a new, higher standard. Put simply, this is a bike that does more so you can do more. Each feature was designed around Rad's core design principles of comfort, range, safety, and utility. So let's jump into it, starting with the all-new frame. We've redesigned this bike to improve weight distribution and create a sportier handling feel without losing the comfortable upright riding position that has made the RadCity a hit. The custom-designed Rad Power Bike's 27.5 by 2-inch tires help you achieve more control over your ride, and its proprietary tread promises more efficient urban travel. To help you navigate difficult roads with even greater ease, the durable Rad Power Bike's custom suspension fork has preload adjustment for the spring stiffness, as well as a lockout lever. And with 60 millimeters of travel, it's capable of complementing a wide range of rider weights and terrain, and has been fine-tuned over multiple generations of the RadCity. We've lowered the standover height on the high step to accommodate a wider range of riders. And as for the step-through version of the bike, the minimum recommended rider height has been lowered from 4'10" to 4'8" to make it even more accessible. We've repositioned the location of the battery to make it even easier for riders to mount and dismount. And for the first time in Rad's history, we've equipped this model with hydraulic brakes and ceramic brake pads. These brakes respond to a lighter touch, giving you more control over your ride and greater stopping power. And to achieve greater comfort, they also allow you to adjust the brake lever to fit the size of your hands. We've developed a new custom 750-watt geared hub motor that's fine-tuned by our team of electrical engineers for the way you ride Rad. This results in a more confident ride feel, greater efficiency, and best of all, stunning hill climbing capabilities that will impress even the most seasoned riders. And to keep you conquering those hills, the bike features our all-new proprietary 14 ampere-hour, 48-volt, and 672 watt-hour semi-integrated battery. It's masterfully engineered in-house for maximum durability and enhanced user experience. And when it comes time to charge, the simplified 10 LED readout gives you reliable information on how much power you have left at any given time. Rounding out the new features is our new intuitive, patent-pending Rad user interface. On the left side of the handlebars, you have the new Rad remote. This allows you to adjust your level of pedal assist and turn your bike on and off with ease, even when you're wearing gloves. It also has an expanded 10-level battery meter, headlight indicator, and an easy view pedal assist level indicator. The Rad display in the center of the handlebars lets you track your ride stats in real time, from how many miles you've racked up to the amount of power flowing into your hub motor. We're continuing to launch new official Rad Power Bikes accessories at record rates, so you can hand select how to customize your RadCity 5 Plus. Fenders and a new rear rack-mounted taillight and our Halo headlight are included to give you additional peace of mind in all conditions. Gear up for the office or the weekend with our included rear rack, plus so much more. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you out riding.
2021 was a year of growth here at Cyrusher, and we just want to thank all those people that contributed, all of those people that joined our big Cyrusher family, for every bike purchased, for everyone who recommended a friend. All those things have added up and have turned 2021 into an amazing year, and from us at Cyrusher, we just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas.
This is the next generation of Cyrusher foldable electric bike. A powerful, smooth, and versatile beast of the road. Easy to assemble and adjust to fit you perfectly. A durable aluminum alloy suspension frame. 3-spoke mountain bike rims that are great for all terrains, cruising on concrete, off-road on dirt roads, or even riding in sand or snow. Equipped with 6 different speed settings. Double mechanical disc brake system, secured and safe for braking. Three working modes. Easily switch and control between regular riding mode, pedestal assistant mode, and throttle modes. Smart bike computers with a mirror, horn, front bike lights make it phenomenal for night riding. The built-in 48V 10AH large capacity battery is removable and super easy to charge. It's fitted with aluminum alloy chain wheels for those tough terrains. Foldable frame, handlebars, and pedals make it really easy to store in small places like a train, bus, or car trunk. Get one of these beasts today and experience a new